Igbo Igbo ekene munu ndị ọma njem ọnụ ekene munu na-anabata unu na Igbo Online College. Hi, welcome back to Igbo Online College. In a special way, I thank you for sticking to this channel and I welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing. All right, today I will teach you other ways of saying thank you in Igbo. We do not just have one way or two ways of saying thank you or showing appreciation in Igbo. So let's jump right into it. But before then, if you've not subscribed, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please do so. Okay, in Igbo, if you want to show appreciation, you want to say thank you. Number one, you could say dalo. Say it. Dalo. Good job. It simply means thank you. You could also say ndewo. 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 Ndewo can mean thank you. It means thank you. It can also mean hi. It can also mean well done. Another way of saying thank you is aka ga-alụ gị. Aka ga-alụ gị. Aka gakwa alụ gị. Can you say it? Aka ga-alụ gị. Aka ga-alụ gị or aka ga-alụ gị. Say that. Aka ga-alụ gị. Aka ga-alụ gị. Good. Another way of saying thank you is ka. 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 Say it. Ka. Yes. It means thank you. Ka. Say that. Good job. Ka. Remember the tone, not ka. 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 Ka o. Ka o. Ka o. Cow. Good. Another way of saying thank you is by saying ime. Ime. Say that. Ime. Good job. You can also say arizegi. Arizegi. Can you say that? Arizegi. Good. That's a good job. You are doing well. Another way of saying thank you or showing appreciation is by saying imekwa. 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 You can also say imegaro. Imegalo. Imegalo. You've outdone yourself. Imegalo. Imegalo. Then you can say onomu juru nekele. Onomu juru nekele. My mouth is full of thanks. Onomu juru nekele. Ekenem gị. I greet you. I thank you. Ekenekwa m gị. I thank you or I greet you. That's what it means. Then in response to all these, you could say esogbuna. Daalụ. Ọ Chukwu. These are responses you can give. Esogbuna. Don't worry. Ọ Chukwu. It is God. Daalụ. You can also respond by saying enyela onwe gị nsogbu. Udo dị. There is peace. Enyela onwe gị nsogbu means don't trouble yourself. Don't bother yourself. Okay. I will see you in my next video. Please practice this and make sure to subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, Messia?